Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making yummy dessert recipe for Eid. Pistachio half cup, butter 1 tablespoon, sugar 2 tablespoon, make fine paste without adding any water. Now it's ready. Transfer pistachio butter to a bowl. Now add roasted Kunafa 3 tablespoon. Mix everything. Keep aside. In a pan, butter 2 tablespoon, semolina half cup. Roast on medium heat for 5 minutes or until changes color. Milk powder 4 tablespoon. Vanilla essence half tablespoon. Milk half cup. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Now add sugar half cup. Mix everything. Transfer to a serving bowl. Pistachio kunafa. Spread like this. Keep aside. I'm using this dark chocolate. Melt that dark chocolate. Double boiler method. Coconut oil 1 tablespoon. Melted chocolate. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Decoration totally optional. Serve like this. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.